Kung gusto mo din magluto at maghanda ng lasagna pero wala kang oven, then watch this video. Let's make this cheesy and beefy no-bake lasagna. First, let's make the bechamel sauce. In a pan, melt some butter on medium-low heat, then add in flour and lulutuin natin to for 1 minute. Then gradually add milk habang continuous yung paghalo with the whisk para ma-dissolve yung lumps at maging smooth ang ating bechamel sauce. Season with salt to taste and optional, nutmeg. Pwede rin kayong mag-add ng quick melt cheese dito if you want. Set it aside and then gagawin na natin yung meat sauce. In a bigger pot on medium-high heat, add in the ground beef. Break it apart into smaller pieces, then iba-brown natin to just like this. If wala din masyadong fat yung ground beef nyo, just add a little bit of oil. Saute garlic until fragrant, then add in onion and red bell pepper and saute for another 2 minutes. Then add in mushroom and cook for another minute. Season with salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning. Then add in tomato paste and gigisahin pa natin to for another 2 minutes. Then add in tomato sauce, water, beef broth cube, and bay leaf. Mix well and then cover and iintayin natin to kumulo. Once nagboil na, add in your lasagna sheets. Just break it into smaller pieces para mas madali natin mahalo. Make sure then to use a pot na medyo makapal para hindi mabilis masunog yung ilalim ng lasagna kasi dito na natin lulutuin lahat. Make sure then na nakalubog lahat ng pasta, then cover and cook on medium-low heat for 5 minutes. Then mix it around para pantay yung luto and then cover and cook for another 3 minutes. Then spread the bechamel sauce on top, then top with grated quick melt and mozzarella cheese. Cover and let it cook for another 2 minutes sa pinakamahinang apoy until magmelt na yung mga cheese. Optional step, torch the cheese until lightly browned, then top with fresh basil or parsley and you're done. May no-bake lasagna ka na pwede mong indagdag sa iyong holiday menu. Perfecto with garlic parmesan breadsticks, so let me know if gusto nyo rin ng recipe for this. Comment down below kung ano pang pasta recipe na gusto nyo gawin natin next. Follow me for more recipes and enjoy! Buyers!